Welcome to my channel Simple Easy Python. My name is Prem and today we are going to discuss about the CS50 Introduction to Python. As you can see over here, Introduction to Programming with Python, problem set 0, and the problem name is Playback Speed. So there are certain things before that I would like to say before I start the video. Number one, first thing first, that okay, I would like to emphasize very clearly that okay, this video is only for the educational purposes. You should not copy and paste the code that is given into this video and simply put it there in the examination. Uh, So this is not going to help you in any way. If you want to be proficient in Python, just take an idea what is given in this video, how I have written the code, and take an idea, take a leaf out of it, and try to write your own code. That is going to help you a lot in becoming proficient and better at Python. Second thing is that okay, I have already passed the examination and obtained the certification, as you can see it over here. So I do not think that I will be able to write code into the code space that is provided by CS50. So what I am going to do instead is that I am going to write all the codes here in Visual Studio Code. But okay, please be assured that although I am writing the code here, I am going to test everything, whatever the test cases given are given over here into before I publish it or upload it onto the YouTube. So, third thing, as I have said in my previous video also, that one problem can be solved in multiple ways. I am solving it in one way, you are solving, you may want to, or you may have logic to solve it another way. So that is not the problem. Again, it is a matter of personal likes and dislikes and personal choice how you are writing the code. Some people they try to write one liner, two liner, or very short code. Some people they prefer clarity over brevity. So they may end up writing a little bit longer code, but okay, it could be more clear. So it all depends upon you. How do you want to write? How do you want to do it? So now without wasting any other time, let us directly jump into the coding part here. So let's go. So let us first of all look at the problem that is given over here. This is called playback speed. And the problem here is that, okay, let us go through the problem statement first. Some people have a habit of lecturing or speaking rather quickly, and it would be nice to slow them down, like YouTube 0.75 playback speed, or even by pausing between the words. So this is what it is expected. So if you can see here in the example, so what it is saying is that, okay, this is CS50. So you have to slow it down by replacing the space or the white space as it is called with three dots. Here you can see, and you can see the hints over here as well. And so it is always good to look at the hints if you are stuck somewhere, and it has got really some good full insights. So for example, you can just look at the star methods what are given over here for a star method. uh, you can here is this is the Python doc. It is always a good idea to go through the Python docs. Similarly, this is for input, what it is input and what it is not. Okay, so now that we have gone through the problem, let us jump directly into the coding part. And as I have said earlier, okay, I am going to code it into VS Code. So what I am going to do is that I am going to create a file called, I'm not creating these directories. I am simply, directly starting from this point, and that is code. Let us see. So let me write over here code playback dot py. Oops, did I write something wrong? Yeah, looks like. Okay. Mm, let's close this one. I do not want to save it. Mm, let us, it should be dot py. Yeah, so now we are good to go. So first of all, I am going to show you a bit longer method, and then gradually I will be moving towards how you can improve upon the code. Let us start. So although if you check the example that is given over here, Yeah, so Python dot uh, playback, and okay, let me play it. So this is CS50. So let us start. Let us say I want to let us call it user input is equal to input. Okay, and let us say I want to give some message, although CS50 has not given. uh, so but still, what are you? Let us put some meaningful. Why are you saying so fast? Why are you speaking so fast? I hope the font size is visible to all of you. Next, as a next step, what we can do is that I can define, let us say, let's call another, define another thing, user output. So user input dot, what we can do is that replace, uh, okay, what we have to replace, we have to replace the blank space with what we have to replace, three dots. So I am giving here three dots, so here we are replacing it, and then we can print this user output. Let us save this, and let us now try to run this program. Python playback dot py. Mm. Why are you speaking so fast? Let me write here, this is CS50. Now here you can see all the white spaces have been replaced by three dots. So now let us try to improve upon this program. Why do I need this thing? I do not need this thing. What I can do here is that instead, let us change it here. User input dot replace blank space or white space as we call it. What we have to replace it with? Three dots. That is it. Let us try to run this program again. Why are you speaking so fast? This is what is we have to test? Okay, this is our week on functions. Let me type it over here. This is our week on functions. You see here, everything has been replaced. All the white spaces have been replaced by three dots. In fact, it can be improved even further. We do not need all these lines. Let us do something like this. Print input. Why are you speaking so fast? Okay, dot replace blank space or white space, and then 3. Let us save it and run it. Let me clear this first. Terminal. Hmm. Python playback dot py. Let us start with the first. This is CS50. Here you see it is replaced by 3. There were 2 blank spaces or white spaces. Both of them have been replaced by 3 dots. Next we have to say check it out that okay, this is our week on functions. Let's try again. This is our week on functions. Bingo. Here you see. There is one more. Let's implement a function called hello. Let us try this one as well. Let's implement. I wrote the wrong spelling. Implement. What is that? A function called hello. Here you see again. And in fact, there is no need to give anything here, as CS50 is not giving any input over here. So let's just simply do it like this. Let me try run this program. Okay, there won't be any prompt here. Like earlier, I was give here it was coming. Why are you speaking so fast? This time it is no, nothing. So this is CS50. Again, you see Everything has been replaced. And before, so this is it. But before I end this video, I would like to show one more thing. Replace has another parameter that you can pass over here, that okay, how many times you want it to be replaced. For example, if I go here and give it, let's say, one time. Now let's run this program again. Let me first clear this one, and let's run this program one more time. Again, I am going to write this is CS50. Now what you can see here is that there are two white spaces, one after this and another one after is. But now that we have given here one, it is going to replace only one. So let's press enter. Here you see only the first occurrence of the white space has been replaced. Let us make it 2 and see what happens. So if I run this program one more time, Python playback.py, and what was that? This let's implement. Let me copy this and paste it over there because it has got multiple white spaces. So you see here, first two white spaces have been replaced by three dots, but the remaining ones are still there. So this is the third parameter that is with the replace. So this is it for this video. Keep coding, keep learning, and happy learning to every one of all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching my channel.